Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Clinical features of opium. Opium opium intoxication is in three stages: stage of excitement, stage of stupor, and stage of coma. Stage of excitement. In stage of excitement, the patient becomes euphoria with absolute sense of well-being. The patient becomes restless and talkative. Stage of stupor. In stage of stupor, the patient will have unpleasant symptoms with nausea, vomiting, headache, and irritability. Stage of coma. In stage of coma, the muscles become flaccid and there are no reflexes seen. Pupils become pinpointed and all the secretions will be suspended except the sweating. In opium poisoning, the patient presents with profuse sweating. Except sweating, all the other secretions are suspended.
thank you and thank you for watching.